precision trimming process for bandsaw blades. After rough pressing, the tension and curvature of the bandsaw blade have generally met the requirements. However, due to technical variations in the manufacturing process of the saw blade steel strip, as well as factors related to the roller press and strip pressing technology, the tension, curvature, and flatness of the saw blade cannot be completely uniform after rough pressing. The purpose of sectional trimming is to inspect the saw blade in sections after it has been pressed as a whole and perform precise adjustments, ensuring the blade is flat and that its tension and curvature are uniform.